In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make funnel page in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating to the funnels area, selecting a starting point, and customizing a template into a clean conversion-focused funnel page. First, open your GoHighLevel account and head to your main dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand menu and find the Sites section. This is your hub for pages, websites, and funnels. Click into Sites and then choose Funnels. You'll land on a screen that lists any funnels you've already created and gives you the option to start a new one. Next, click New Funnel. GoHighLevel will present a few ways to begin. You can start from a blank canvas if you want full control from scratch, or you can build with AI if you prefer a guided setup. Both are helpful depending on your style and the information you already have. For a quick, reliable start, we'll go with a template. Select from Templates, then click. Continue to open the template library. Now you'll see categories you can browse through. These categories group templates by use case like lead generation, webinar signups, or product sales. Browsing gives you a sense of layout and structure that matches your goal. If you have something specific in mind, use the search bar to find a template by keywords related to your niche or offer. As you compare, look for clean headlines, clear call to action buttons, and simple sections that guide visitors toward one primary action. Also consider how the layout will look on mobile, since most traffic is mobile first. When you find a template you like, choose it to start editing. This is where you bring your brand and message to life. Replace placeholder headlines with clear benefit-driven copy that explains what visitors will get and why it matters. Swap in your brand colors and fonts to keep everything consistent. Update images and background sections so they support your message without distracting from the main action. Edit forms to collect only the essential information you need. And make sure your primary button stands out visually with active, action-oriented text. As you tweak sections, keep spacing balanced and avoid clutter. Your goal is a smooth visual flow that naturally leads to the call to action. Preview your changes on desktop and mobile to ensure everything looks polished and loads quickly. And as you work, save frequently so you don't lose progress. That's it. You've navigated to funnels, chosen a template path, browsed and searched effectively, and customized your selection into a focused funnel page. Follow these same steps the next time you launch a new offer, and you'll be able to spin up consistent, high-converting pages with ease.